Unit 6, Exercise 8. Listen and circle the correct answer. A, B, or C.
Hello?
Sandro, hi. It's Tony. I'm ringing from Cambridge.
Tony, hi. How are you?
Fine. We arrived in London on Monday. The plane landed at 5:15 in the morning.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, really early. So we were in the city by 7:30, and we stayed in London for 2 nights.
Oh, where? In a hotel?
Yes, we were in a hotel for the first night. And then on Tuesday, we stayed at my uncle's place.
So, what was London like? What did you do?
Well, we spent a lot of time at my uncle's house, talking, you know. But we went all round the city in a tourist bus. That was really good. And we went for a boat trip on the river. Dad wanted to visit the British Museum too, but we didn't have time for that.
So, when did you leave for Cambridge?
On Wednesday. We got the early evening train, and now we're staying with my cousins. They've got a great house here. Anyway, Sandro, how are things? How's Carla? I tried to ring her yesterday,